G'day guys, Greg here. Now here I am today at KFC. I've come to try the SLAB. Now you might remember they brought the SLAB out a couple of years ago, but hey, people have been asking me, can I try it again? So I'm going to whip in, grab the SLAB, suss it out and see if it's just the same as it was a couple of years ago when I had it then. So let's go get it. Alright, well here's the SLAB. $10.95 this cost. Let's suss it out. Oh yeah! Da, 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 da. Oh gee. Wow, look how amazing those bread rolls look. They're just like perfect, aren't they? And underneath, this is where the magic happens. Well, it's popcorn chicken. It's got a cheese sauce, and that's a barbecue sauce on there as well. See if I can pick the whole thing up. We can see how much popcorn chicken's on it. Well, I mean, there's, it looks like enough there. The covering of sauce, though, it's a lot to be desired, isn't it? There's bits and pieces, lots of spare bun there. Oh well, you can't have it all. Let's try some of this cheese sauce. Not too bad. Kind of a nice creamy sauce. It tastes sort of like cheese. Not a lot though. But it tastes alright. And this barbecue sauce, very sweet. Not too bad either, but not too good. Well, there's a SLAB on its own. I'm actually scared. Come on, Greg, get over the fear. Oh my. All I seem to get then is a mouthful of their super doughy bread and this sickly sweet sauce with maybe 2 bits of popcorn chicken there. Right, well, I'll get rid of that bit. And let me just try some of this popcorn chicken. Pretty greasy and oily, just the way you like it. Okay, well this bit's got a lot more popcorn chicken, so let's try this one. Oh. Oh mate, it just seems so hard to eat. The bread is so thick and doughy that pretty much that's all you're tasting with this barbecue sauce, and well, the cheese sauce I'm not really getting, and the doughiness really takes away from those popcorn chickens. Yeah. Oh, this is hard to eat. Well, I think I've had enough of it now to know what score it's going to get out of 10. Well, value-wise, $10.95. Well, you're not getting too much popcorn chicken on there, or sauces for that matter. I would have loved some more cheese sauce on there, and maybe some less barbecue sauce, and definitely some less bread. I mean, I can see the value in it. I wouldn't be spending $10.95 on this ever again. Flavour-wise, well, that cheese sauce is pretty nice, but the barbecue sauce is sickly sweet, and the bread is just so doughy and chewy, and, well, It's just this thick mess that's in your mouth that you're chewing away on, and it's not really that enjoyable. The only good part about it is the popcorn chicken, and well, if you just want popcorn chicken, you might as well just go and get the bucket for $10 and not worry about all these extra carbs that are just unnecessary and take away from the flavour. All round, it's sickly, sweet, chewy, and not really that enjoyable. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the KFC SLAB. A couple of years ago I gave it a 5, and this time it's getting a... Oh, God. Ugh. I think I'm going to stick with the 5. This is, well, it's a gimmick for starters, and, well, it's not really that enjoyable to eat. Unless you really love doughy bread that's sort of sweet with the bits of chunky chicken in there, then you might enjoy it. Otherwise, I would not be wasting my money on this. I'd be getting a bucket of popcorn chicken for $10 and slamming that thing down as fast as I could. So you don't have to deal with this horrible doughy bread that will just make you end up feeling sick. Well, there you go, the KFC SLAB. Mate, I didn't like it 2 years ago. I still don't like it. It's a gimmick, and it's a really bad one at that, I reckon. Anyway, I'm going to sit here, open it up, pick all the popcorn chicken out, and throw the rest of the bread away. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I do a review. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger licking. Ooh yeah.
Well, here's the leftover bits that were inedible, which is nearly the whole thing.